Hi QTP cutie, welcome to the Queer Trans Projects tutorial on how to find your gaff size and a couple ways to tuck with it. For this tutorial, you'll need a string and measuring tape to take two measurements, your waist and hips. For your waist, measure right at or above your belly button. Mark the spot where the string overlaps. Line it up against your measuring tape for your size. Repeat for your hips, the fullest part of your butt. Refer to the size chart on our website for your gaff size. You can tuck two ways. Casually tuck by pulling your gaff on like any underwear. For a smoother tuck, gently push your testes up into your inguinal canal. Pull your shaft back between your legs and pull your gaff up. Adjust for comfort. Tuck for 4 to 8 hours max to avoid any pain or potential health complications. Never sleep with your gaff on. Always prioritize comfort and stop if you experience any pain. Be patient with yourself. Got tips or questions? Drop them in the comments. And check out our other tutorials on how to apply makeup, use breast forms, and more. See you soon, cutie!